Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Numerology by Sakshi Duggal Kumriya. My way or highway. This is the mantra for the ones who are born on 9th, 18th and 27th of any month and along with the destiny number 9. Whatever they want to achieve, they achieve come what may. No one can stop them to achieve the levels of success because sky is the limit for them. ये जो planets होते हैं number 9, 18 and 27th, they are born rulers. They will explore a lot of streams, a lot of fields, but they will choose the one which they will excel in it. They are the pioneers of their own stream and profession. They will do something which is related to their stamina. They are full of power, be it mental or physical. So you cannot just, overshadow these people. They are the most loving, passionate, and you can say totally loyal spouses when it comes to love. They can betray you if you betray them. It's tit for tat with them very easily. If you try to offend them or hurt them, then you can just get the worst out of these people. So the ones who are watching me right now and the ones who have the spouses as the date 9, 18 and 27, you better be loyal to them because they just demand and command loyalty, passion. They come out as little secretive people. They cannot be an open book because they feel they cannot be transparent with everybody and they cannot treat everybody equally. So they are very selective people, totally family oriented when it comes to being with their siblings. They are best of siblings, best of children because they are very dedicated to their family. Yes, their materialistic pleasures and demands are at the highest peak. Everything, they're definitely very demanding, and demand means anything which is related to materialistic gains. They want a lot of money. Money is power. They will never ever settle for something which is substandard or less than their standard. Come what may, इनकी किस्मत में सब कुछ इनकी ज़िंदगी में अपने आप रास्ता बना के आ ही जाता है. You may not be born with those luxuries and those materialistic gains and financial benefits in life, but आप अपनी किस्मत अपने आप बना के ले ही आते हैं. Very importantly, आपका relationship status clear होना चाहिए, as in there are times when you will be very confused before marriage or deciding between the partners, and also post marriage divorce and extramarital happens when you feel cheated and when you feel that, oh no, this is not what I deserve, because you are people who give your complete heart and soul to your spouse or your better half. So this is one thing wherein you have to strike a balance and understand that this can be a flaw in your life. So you have to take it in your stride. When it comes to your work is your therapy, not even therapy. This is your backbone. It gives you your identity. It gives you your power. So you cannot be just a random person. You have to be that on the top of the league. And any which ways you people make your way through it. People who are born in army, the commanders, the highest dignitaries, you can say celebrities, half of our Bollywood, Hollywood, and you talk about your sports people, they all are ruled by these numbers. 50%, more than 50%, because this number brings a lot of name and fame. क्या नहीं देता इस जिंदगी में? Personal सुख, discontentment. This is one flaw which you have to really work on it, because इतना कुछ पाके भी आप सल्क ज़रूर करेंगे, आप क्रिप ज़रूर करेंगे. कहीं ना कहीं आपके अंदर एक इशू आ ही जाता है कि why me, and I've done so much. Maybe it's because of over expectations, because you people do justice to all your relationship, professional relationship, personal relationship, with any people. You guys become very good social worker, totally dedicated for people from heart. But yes, you're not somebody जो आप अपना भी whatever you have, you will not give away. You are very wise and sorted people. So yes, charity begins at home. So first you are well fed and comfortable in your own zone, and then you don't mind sharing it with others. In my experience of my clients and so many readings I've done by far, ये एक ऐसा planet है जिसका change of location आता ही आता है. It cannot be avoided. So your birthplace and your workplace has definitely changes. So you be ready for something, you know, be very opportunist. Look out for opportunities and definitely grab them because they are definitely positive for you all. गुस्सा डेफिनेट वर्क करने की ज़रूरत है बिकॉज इट्स नॉट वेरी बैड but it just keeps on venting. So there is something which keeps on adding up to your stress levels, and eventually your lower portion or your uppermost portion gets affected. So you might end up getting migraines and issues in the knees and the lower portion of gynec issue if you're a woman. So all these things are directly related to your stress levels. You are gem of people. You don't want to talk about yourself in public. You don't want to share your day-to-day activities with everybody because आपको सबकी vibration समझ नहीं आती. पर आप बहुत जल्दी negative हो जाते हैं अपने लिए, दूसरों के लिए नहीं. अपने लिए आपको लगता है कि what have I done by far? You start analyzing your life, your present, your future way too fast. For others, you are remember, you're a role model. People don't have this kind of life which you are already living in or which you have already proved and shown to the world. So anybody who's watching me right now with number 9, 18, 27, that's date of birth, and whose destiny number, after we total up the birth number, the month and the year weightage, comes to number 9, please have that faith in you. You all are extreme, you're role models. So you've definitely set certain standards in life. So just stay on that mission and passion. Very importantly, there is a package which is attached to this kind of planets and stars, which is drinking, smoking, doing all the daring activities, doping, gambling, any kind of share trading. So you guys don't mind experimenting. You don't mind exploring this side of the world because you want to earn or you want to reach success in shortcut. You can't do the donkey work running around. You can get work extracted very fast and very nicely from others. So just refrain from this package. I fondly call it as a package because this will take away your prosperity. बहुत चीज़ें आती हैं बट ये चीज़ें आप इसमें से कुछ भी कंज्यूम करते हैं तो वो ड्रेन आउट हो जाता है. सो एज फार एज यू रिटेन योर पॉजिटिविटी, यू रिटेन योर बरकत, यू रिटेन योर financial part of your life, I would definitely advise you to refrain as much as possible. You really need to stay positive because positivity is your mantra. We are not talking about anybody else here. You are your hero. You are your favorite. You guys are fond of yourself too much. You like being in the best of brands and always very decked up and very smartly dressed up, and you will not compromise on being very presentable because this is your persona and this is your personality which everybody looks up to. So all of you, please try to maintain this, and this is all I would like to say. Refrain from the negative aspects of these things which can give you negativity, and donate milk on Sundays if you want any kind of peace or you feel restless, because it really works well with these kind of stars. So guys, keep watching my videos, share to the people who really want to know more about themselves. Follow me on Instagram by the name of Numerology by Sakshi. I am by the name of Numerology by Sakshi Duggal Kumri on Facebook, and like and subscribe to my channel, and till then, stay blessed, stay positive. Thank you.